Sounds like we better get going.
Brian, was that you?
Someone's hungry!
Bring her back fed, Aaron.
Mom!
Come on, before your stomach files a complaint.
I'm coming.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, that was me.
Sounds like we better get going.
Yeah, before I start gnawing on the furniture.
Dinner's ready yet?
Have fun, you two!
Bring me leftovers.
We'll see, Jake.
Sounds like we better get going.
You kids heading out?
We are, Mom!
Bring me back a cookie!
We'll see what we can do, Jake.
Later, everyone.
Bye!